Hi everyone, Lisa from Eibach here, and this is our weekly recap. In this recap, we talk about the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing and the Porsche 911 GTS spring development, and the recap of our Ford Maverick Overland Expo build. Before we get started, we just want to congratulate all our Team Eibach drivers who completed the Baja 500, and we especially want to congratulate Bryce Menzies for taking the overall win. Our R&D team started the week off by working on the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. This CT5-V got our Pro Kit test fitted, which lowered the ride height by 0.7 inch to the front and rear. We'll have more updates on when you can expect this later on. After that, we brought in a Porsche 911 GTS for initial R&D. We're still evaluating our design for this, so we will have more updates later on. If you haven't seen it already, please be sure to check out our latest video on our Ford Maverick build. This video goes over everything we've installed to get this rig ready. That's it for this week's recap. Don't forget to like and subscribe.